Check out this 2010 Acura TL. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive that gives you more control with its manual transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.